Okay, um, today we'll talk about manufacturing and services data. I will take a look on all markets, and I will try to identify high probability trades. And yeah, today I decided to go live earlier only because later we'll have the French flash manufacturing PMI, French flash services PMI, German flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI here, Eurozone manufacturing and services data. So these are seen as high impact events. Later, if you are trading the British pound, the United Kingdom flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI, the US economic data. So the fundamentals will move the markets today, and personally, I will try to identify potential trades and setups here live, and maybe probably Mark. Hi, how are you? And maybe I will also go live later today, maybe around the US data. Yeah. Trying to place new trades. So please read the disclaimer. It's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Please read the disclaimer, and if you have questions, you can send an email to support. Yeah, if you have questions about services, about subscription, about yeah. So let's start with the dollar index. Sorry about that. Yesterday I've talked about potential rebound here on the dollar index. Earlier today I've talked about the dollar index again in that market breakdown video for the VIP group, for the VIP members, and I said that maybe I would like the dollar index to come back down, and then I will try to catch a potential new upwards movement, a new potential rally, and then I will try to identify US dollar longs, or I'll wait for the dollar index to approach and reach this block here, and then before turning to the downside, and then I will try to identify potential US dollar shorts. Okay. So let's personally I will take a look on all markets very quick, and I will try to identify potential trades, and if I will have something, I will send the trade in the VIP group. I will share the trade. It's trade management. So Euro USD. Personally, yeah, after here test retest of the upper medium line, and its failure maybe to stabilize above this former high 1.0912 retest. Here maybe we've had something during the last night maybe or something, but unfortunately I cannot monitor my trades during the Asian session. This is the reason why I'm not short, and maybe we had something here, but right now I'll wait for the for the Euro USD to come back down, to retest the medium line, maybe to approach and reach this zone, this demand zone, and before turning to the upside. So I'm looking maybe for potential longs right now, only for potential longs here in Euro USD. Right after ending its sell-off, I will try to identify potential new bullish momentum, and right now, no, I don't want to sell it. I don't want to do anything right before the economic data, because the French, German, Eurozone could have a big impact on the US dollar in the Bogdan Yankov. Hi, how are you? So I don't want to do anything right before the economic data. Maybe I will have an opportunity after the economic data, because Richard, hi, how are you? Because the fundamentals could move the market, could change the sentiment in the short term. So right now I don't have a high probability setup here on Euro USD. Okay, I'll try to catch something later. Yeah, yesterday I will talk about gold as well. Mateos, hi, how are you? Yesterday, yeah, I've made a mistake on gold. Let's take a look on gold. I should have managed my position, because I was short, and my short position was in yeah, in really good profit here. I should have managed my position here, and or to move my stop loss at break even, or to close it here. Personally, I've expected only a temporary rebound here before extending its sell-off, but as you already know, yesterday the fundamentals moved the markets as well. Yesterday we had the Swiss National Bank, Bank of England, later the US data, and yeah, the volatility was high, and yeah, the fundamentals. Richard, hi, how are you? Charles. So about gold, right now it has failed to approach and reach this former high. So maybe in the short term, only temporary retreats before extending its growth. Yeah. Let's take a look now. Always tricky deciding if or when to move a stop loss to bring even or small profit. Mark. This is the thing, guys. Trading is not only about winning trades, because there are moments, maybe let's take a look. So this example here, so personally I was short, right? Personally I was short. I was in profit here with a stop loss, and with a take profit maybe here, okay? And maybe in the past, or personally I've decided after such a sharp downside movement to take the profit and to close the position, and maybe the price, it would have increased a little, and then it would have extended its sell-off, and it would have reached my take profit eventually, okay? So maybe yeah, you would have said, hey, why did you close the position when the bias was still bearish? The price extended its sell-off. It would have reached the take profit. This is trading, guys. Okay, so yesterday I've decided to let the position ride. Yeah, it has turned against me. It's fine. I don't know. My risk was far below 1% from my trading account. The initial stop loss was around 0.5. Yeah, so it's fine, okay? And I will look for new potential setups and high probability trades, okay? Because yeah, trading, as I've said, is not only about winning trades. Even if you are an experienced trader, you will not win all your trades, because yeah, anything could happen, right? Anything could happen. Even if you have a high probability strategy or setup, the price could turn against you. So right now maybe I'm looking only for longs here in gold, but I don't know if I have a setup, a really good setup. Maybe here, if it will come back to test retest, I don't know. But right now I don't have a high probability setup in gold. Okay, also silver. Let's take a look here. Silver. Char, gold short. I don't know. Right now I don't have a setup in gold. Yeah, maybe I would have liked to see a larger retreat and then to turn to the upside, but here I'll wait to see how it will react. I'll wait to see how the dollar index will react in the short term, because it could approach and reach this zone and then to come back down or something. But right now in the short term, I've noticed that maybe that correlation between the dollar index, the US dollar, and gold didn't work it really good. But yeah. So about gold, yeah, after this strong rally, a retreat was natural, was expected. it has reached this zone, this area here, and right now it has turned to the upside. But in the short term, I would like maybe the price of gold to come back, maybe to retest here, and then to really develop a larger rebound, a new bullish momentum here in the short term. Okay. Okay. One moment. So yeah, in, I don't know, maybe less than 7 minutes we'll have the French economic data, and these are seen as high impact events, guys. Okay, flash manufacturing and services data, and also later today we'll have the Canadian retail sales. If you're interested in Canadian dollar or I don't know, maybe US oil. So right now, no, I don't have a setup, really good setup in gold. But yeah, if it will come back to test retest here, boom. Okay, or invalidating this supply zone, taking out the former highs, could signal potential further growth in the short term. US 30, US 500. I believe that US, Russell, or US equities. I will take a look on US equities as well. But please, guys, Char, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, because maybe personally I'm not trading on those markets. If you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at. Not only US 30. Okay, if you are if you want to buy, if you want to sell, if you are long, if you are short, your levels, your time frame. Okay, Mark, I'm in a long trade on Australian dollar, US dollar, and a short trade on New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, and I hope the news doesn't stop out my two trades. Yeah, as I've said, the economic data could have an impact because we'll have later today we'll have the US economic data, United Kingdom manufacturing and services data. Yeah, so Mark, I don't know your time frames, your levels. So yeah, okay. Let's take a look on silver. Silver. Yeah, it's still bullish. Silver is still bullish. It's still bullish. But I don't know if I have something. Maybe I'll wait for this upwards movement to end, to be over, and then I will look for potential shorts. Right now, no, I don't want to place a buy stop or buy at market or something. No. Yeah. US oil. And as I said, if I don't have something really good right now, I will come back later. I will go live again later, maybe around the US economic data, and maybe I will and I hope I will be able to place at least a trade live for you guys. And that's why I'm looking on all markets, important markets here. So after this after its failure to stay US oil, crude oil, guys, after its failure to stay below 65.64, yeah, a change of character here, breakout, and yeah, we cannot exclude a sell-off or temporary downside movement. Maybe US oil could come back down before it will develop a bullish movement, before an upside continuation or something. So but yeah, a bearish closure here, maybe taking out or invalidating this immediate block and demand zone could signal potential downside movement. Maybe it could come back down to take out the liquidity here, maybe to reach this area before turning to the upside, yeah, or I don't know, here. Yeah, so I'll wait to see how it will react in the short term, because as long as it stays here above 68.86, it could only retest here, false breakdowns, boom. Okay, so I'll wait here. US oil, maybe I'll keep an eye on US oil. US oil, crude oil. So US 100, let's take a look. In 2 minutes we'll have French economic data. So if you have questions, guys, please tell me what you're looking at, your levels, your time frame. So yeah, retail sales, United Kingdom retail sales. So about US 100, about the Nasdaq. It seems that it has registered only false breakouts. False breakouts with great separation above that key level. Richard, big drop on the euro Japanese yen today, down 1%. I will take a look on the Japanese yen as well. Thank you. On the Japanese yen, big drop only because the yen basket extended its growth. I've talked about the Japanese yen, about the Japanese yen basket during in my market breakdown video earlier today. US equities. Yeah, this sideways movement, and only because the DXY, the dollar index, tries to extend its growth, its rebound. Maybe US 100 could come back down, and I would like the US 100 to come back maybe here before a new bullish momentum or something. But right now, I don't know. I don't have something really good, like a high probability trade, guys, because I don't want to place a trade only if I don't have a high probability trade, really good risk to reward ratio. Yeah, let's take a look on US 30 as well. As I've said, guys, I will take a look on all markets, and if I'll have something, I will place the trade, or I will come back later. Because I really want to place at least a trade today live here for you guys. US 30. US 30. No trade is better than losing trades. Yeah. Yeah. So after what happened here with false breakdowns, maybe it could only come back down and then boom. But right now it's premature. Yeah, sorry. Only false breakdowns. One moment, because we already have French economic data. So services PMI. Let's refresh the economic calendar as well. Personally, I will send the economic data Yeah, better than expected. French flash services PMI better than expected, confirming further expansion. And here French flash manufacturing PMI confirmed that the manufacturing sector remains in the contraction territory. Contraction territory. I will send the economic data in the VIP group as well. So mixed data. I'll wait for the Eurozone, for also for the German economic data before maybe I will try to catch something. Yeah. No, I don't have something really good on this market. US 500 as well. But I'm not trading on the US equities too often, but no. I really hate the price action here. And later I will come back later, maybe I will go live again later around the US economic data. Maybe we'll have something really good later, because right now, yeah, maybe I would like to see here test, retest, false breakouts, and then to turn to the downside. Right now, no, I don't want to sell it here, I don't want to buy it. US 500, no. Bitcoin, if you're interested in Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is still bullish. It's still bullish after retesting the former lows here. And in my opinion, or actually personally, I have yeah, maybe I will delete this major pitchfork, and I will keep only this minor pitchfork. As long as it stays above the upper medium line here, and maybe in the short term this sideways movement could represent an upside continuation pattern. So staying above the medium line, making a new higher high, could signal potential further growth here in Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, yeah, only a new higher high could invalidate, could invalidate this block here, this supply, and could activate or signal potential further growth, right? After this strong rally, a retreat. Maybe I will try to catch something today. About Ethereum, continues to move sideways. Is trapped between 1,846, 1,000, maybe this key level 1,742, and also here after this strong rally, a retreat before extending its growth. So yeah, I'm looking for longs here on Bitcoin, on Ethereum. Looking only for longs in the short term. Okay. Ripple, yeah, an aggressive retreat drop. Maybe it could come back down a little before really developing a bullish momentum. Ripple, but in my opinion, if Bitcoin and Ethereum will jump higher, Bitcoin signal will be nice. Char, yeah. Also also, Charles, if you are interested in crypto signals or trades or content, you can join the crypto channels, crypto VIP channel or the free channel. Yeah, personally, I'm not managing those groups. I don't have to manage those groups as well, or to send trades. But yeah, we have another trader for those channels. So if you're interested in cryptocurrencies, Charles, thank you. Litecoin. I don't know, maybe here on Litecoin I'll wait maybe for the price to hit this order block, and then maybe I will look for shorts on Litecoin, maybe. Okay, because it could take out all this liquidity here, it could ignore the immediate and the former highs, and then after reaching this supply zone, it could retreat, it could drop a little. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. Dollar index. Yeah, it has extended its rally, but maybe after reaching this zone here, it could drop again. Yeah. So let's take a look. Let's take a look again here. Yeah, Euro USD. It has reached the medium line, and personally I will keep an eye on this, maybe on this former low. I told you that the economic data could bring sharp movements. Please take a look here on lower time frames. And in less than 5 minutes, we'll have the German manufacturing and services data as high impact events. I would like to see here maybe test, retest, false breakdowns, boom, before a rebound. For a potential rebound. No, here maybe I'll wait here on the British pound US dollar. Yeah, maybe I would like here something like this before coming back down. Because after this sideways movement indecision here, a sell-off, maybe a rebound before going down, because yeah, right now this former low has potential immediate target, or this block here and demand zone. But no, I don't have a high probability setup and really good risk to reward ratio. That's why I don't want to do anything right now. Euro, Japanese yen. Yeah, it has crashed only because yen basket rallied. I've talked, and as I've said, I will take a look on yen basket. Yen basket, yeah, only false breakout above 83.75. And let's take a look, because someone asked me about Euro Japanese yen. Yeah, massive drop, massive sell-off today, only because yen basket rallied, challenges this former low. But the downside pressure remains high, and right now, no, I don't want to do anything here on this market or on the Japanese yen, British pound, Japanese yen, deeper drop, downside continuation. Probably I would like the price to take out the former lows and then I will look for longs or temporary rebounds, could bring us new shorts, but Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, same here. Key level, here, false breakdown, and if this false breakdown, yeah, this candle will be closed, yeah, here on 30 minutes will be closed in 1 minute and 30 seconds, 15 minutes, and if we'll have only false breakdown here below 94.63, it could try to rebound, but no, I don't want to buy it yet. I want a really strong bullish signal or pattern before going long, before going short on the Japanese yen. Okay, it has reached the Japanese yen basket reached this former high. It has registered only a false breakout for now, but it's still bullish. Okay, still bullish because it could only drop a little before developing a new bullish momentum, before extending its growth. So yeah. USD CAD. USD CAD. USD CAD. False breakout for now above 1.3743, former high. But in my opinion, only taking out the former lows, coming back, and then, so it's a potential downside movement is far from being confirmed. It's far from being confirmed. That's why I have to wait. So let's refresh the economic calendar, because we already have the economic data, German flash manufacturing PMI, German flash services PMI. So German flash services PMI better than expected, confirming whoa, mixed data, confirmed further expansion, and German flash manufacturing PMI worse than expected, so contraction. So mixed economic data, Mixed economic data Let's take a look on gold. Yeah, gold yeah, failed to stay above this this level. But I don't know if I want to sell it here. I don't have something really good. No. Don't forget, guys, to like the video. Thank you, guys. So yeah, about silver, as I've said earlier, no, I don't want maybe to buy it. Maybe I will try to, or actually I'll wait for silver to end its upwards movement, and then I will look for potential shorts. Okay. Euro USD, let's see. Yeah, it challenges the medium line, but maybe I would like the price to hit this level here, this area, this zone, before turning to the upside. Mixed economic data, and yeah, in 28 minutes, 27 minutes, we'll have the Eurozone economic data. Maybe I will have something right after the economic data, Eurozone economic data. I will try to catch something. Okay, maybe personally I will end this webinar here, and I will still keep an eye on the economic calendar, also on the on the US dollar, on the Japanese yen, gold, silver, US oil, US equities, on majors, and I will try to identify potential new trades, and I will come back later with high probability setups and trades into the VIP group, and yeah, probably I will go live later around the US economic data. Maybe we'll have something really good. Right now I would like the Euro USD to hit this zone, this area, to take out maybe the liquidity here and then to turn to the upside. I don't want to sell it right now. Economic data, it remains to see, but most likely the Eurozone flash services PMI could remain in the expansion territory. Flash manufacturing PMI could remain in the contraction territory as expected, and yeah, maybe I will have something good later. Okay, thank you guys, and I will come back later with something, and also I will go live maybe also later today. Carlo, thank you, Carlo, thank you. So bye bye. I will come back later with something. Yeah, Charles, thank you as well. Bye bye. Right now I don't have a high probability setup or trade. I'll wait, and then I will come back with something. But yeah, I wanted to go live before the economic data. Cheers, Richard, and I will come back later with something. Bye bye.